Hi everybody, my name is Julio.
And I'm Christine.
And we are the Plug-in Duo.
And in this video, we wanted to share our first time experience of DC fast charging.
Using the CCS port on our Volkswagen eGolf. We wanted to take you along to show just how easy and fast DC fast charging is with Electrify America.
So having said that, let's go. You don't have to have an account for this one?
I don't know. That's it. These things are so finicky. Okay, ouch. Quick note, Electrify America has a membership that lowers price to 31 cents a kilowatt with a $4 a month plan. 43 cents a kilowatt is guest pricing. Oh, did you see how many miles you had?
No. Let's see. So I'm starting off with 69 miles, okay? So let's check that out. Shows it's gonna take half an hour to be at full charge. So let's wait 30 minutes. So babe.
Yeah.
It shows it's gonna take half an hour.
Wow.
Half an hour. Right now I have 69 miles.
What a difference.
For reals.
It's charging right now at 38 kilowatts. The ones usually at charge point, they're like 6 to 7 kilowatts. Right now, since it's not empty, the maximum is at 50 kilowatts, but right now it's charging at 38 kilowatts. And just a second ago, it showed 54%. So right now it shows 55%, charging time 1 minute, and it shows how many kilowatts have been delivered and the cost. There, it just rose to 56% already. See, that's good that they put it on a big, so from the car you can see the percentage. So what do you think, Chris, about this fast charging for your car?
I mean, not bad. I thought we had a preference of not using.
We're not just to try it out right now, but this is not going to be our usual charging because it is a little bit more rough on the batteries, considering that this is not a cooled battery. It's actually air cooled. But
yeah, I'm sure the girls would have appreciated sitting here for half an hour just to charge the full instead of waiting for 2 hours.
No way, 59%.
Really?
Yeah, it said 58, 59.
It said half an hour though.
I don't know, this thing's really going. Time varies by make, charging cost. Wow, so it has already delivered 2.11 kilowatts. Wow. And look, it shows that it started at 52%, and look, it's 59. Now it's 60%. On the charge point, you get about usually 6.6 kilowatts. So because of course there's always losses, you get about 6 kilowatts. I've seen that on green lots. I believe those chargers actually go to 7.2 kilowatts. So yeah, those ones are just a tad bit faster. These ones are a lot faster. So the car can charge up to 50 kilowatts, but if the car's battery is nearly empty, right now we had about half a battery, so it's not charging quite as fast. Right now it's actually ramping down, which I expected. Right now it's charging at 36 kilowatts, but we've been charging for 4 minutes, and yeah, so far it's delivered 2.74 kilowatts already. It shows we are at 62% on 2 minutes, so yeah, a lot faster. This side says the state of charge. It says that 50 kilowatts at 50 kilowatts at 80%. So that's the maximum, of course. Once you pass 80%, that's when the car starts slowing down. Yeah, so right now it's delivered 4.65 kilowatts. It's cost $1.29, 7 minutes. Yeah, so like I said, so right now we've been charging for 8 minutes just to give it a try. Usually we don't do the DC fast charging, which is CCS. Here at Electrify America, and right now we've been charging for 8 minutes. We usually don't do it. Well, we just wanted to give it a try, but it's pretty amazing just how fast it charges, huh, Chris?
I know, it's extremely fast.
Yeah, compared to charge point, but of course charge point's a lot cheaper. But I mean, yeah, if you want fast, you're gonna pay for it. So as of right now, we got 70% just from sitting here. So let's see. It says
not even 10 minutes, huh?
Yeah, no. Let's see. Yeah, so we've been charging 8 minutes. It's about $1.72, 5.44 kilowatts. And yeah, we started at 52 and we're already at 70%. So see, it is ramping down at 34 kilowatts. So that's why I said I wish that this car would charge as fast as the new Hyundais and other cars where they charge 150 kilowatts, sometimes 300. It's just amazing how far the battery technology has gotten. But anyway, let's go ahead and stop it now. This was mostly, or you know what? Fine, let's let it wait until 10 minutes and see what 10 minutes does. Okay, there we go, 10 minutes. So $2.58, 73%. Okay, so let's do right now and let's do stop. And hear all the fans. It says grace period.
Another quick note, Electrify America gives users a 10-minute grace period from the time your vehicle stopped charging. After that, a fee of 40 cents a minute is incurred. This is to make sure that users aren't leaving their vehicles while not charging and making the charger available for other EV drivers to use.
Ooh, it is warm.
Is it?
Yeah, it's actually kind of warm. Touch it. No, right here.
Oh, yeah.
And what's crazy is that the reason why these cables are so thick is because they're actually liquid cooled because they get so hot because of all the energy that passes through. That's how it is. What I actually appreciate about Electrify America is that you can charge as a guest, because the last CCS charger that we tried to go to, it wanted us to make an account. A lot of places, yeah, you do got to make an account, but I mean, it's not the ones that we usually use. So usually we use Greenlots and ChargePoint. So that's why we have an account with them. But with Electrify America, yeah, we try not to do this CCS. As I said, it's a little bit harder on the battery, but it's not like, oh my god, your battery's gonna explode. No, it's not like that. But it's like, I guess if we were to take a trip, you know, it's good to know that the car can charge faster. Okay, so another thing to keep out for etiquette is so these charge at 150 kilowatts. Our car only charges to 50 kilowatts max. The cool thing is that on here, if you notice on Christine's car, it's on the back, so it's actually convenient because the charging is right there. But if in case it's towards the front, see, you have these ones. But what's cool about these ones is that these are 350 kilowatts. So if you have those newer Hyundais and the what's it called, EV6, and I believe some Audis, they charge up to I'm not sure if I'm wrong, but I believe they charge up to 200 or 300 kilowatts, something like that. But what's cool is that even though these charge at 350 kilowatts, they are backwards compatible, so they can actually charge the eGolf. The thing is that the charging station communicates with the car, and pretty much the station will send only what the car can handle. So if you have one of these cars and you have a 150 kilowatt charging station, you might want to park there and leave the 301 for all the other cars that can charge faster, because your car will not be able to take advantage of. Our car only handles 50, and the station that we were in was 150 kilowatts maximum. So again, let's do that the right thing, and let's have etiquette. Yeah, I mean, if your car can't handle it, why hog the one that charges the fastest? I can only imagine how fast it's got to be to charge like that. I mean, that's got to be insane.
Okay, so we just finished charging, and I've got 97 miles now. I had 69, okay, and now I'm at 97. That was insanely fast.
Yeah, in 10 minutes? That's really not bad.
That was fast.
And
ooh, air conditioner.
Yeah, definitely air conditioner. Air conditioner.
So the sucky thing about, you know, having to use the air conditioner, especially in those hot days or hot months, is it takes away at your range. So I had 97. As soon as I put the air conditioner, drops 97? Down. Yeah, I had 97.
Oh wow!
From 69 to 97.
That is good.
And from 97,
30 miles in 10 minutes.
Yeah,
that is great.
So 97, and it dropped down to 82 miles.
But today has been what, 100 and some?
99. It's
99
cooled off a little bit.
Yeah, it's cooled off a tiny bit, but I'm sorry, but 10 minutes, 30 miles. I'm sorry, but hey, air conditioner is a must. I'm sorry, yeah. It's gotta. So here we are done charging, and again, we are here part of charging in Electrify America, which is part of the Volkswagen group, which this car is also a Volkswagen, even though I was the one that processed the payment and plugged it in. What was your experience from what you saw?
It didn't seem too complicated.
No.
Yeah, but then again, you did it. Usually when I do these things, I always run into problems. So I don't know, but I'm just amazed that it was so quick.
Yeah. definitely that was really quick, and especially again I appreciated that Electrify America lets you charge as a guest instead of having to go and do an account and get their app and so on. Yeah, that's I really appreciated that. But especially this charged a lot faster. We used to have a Nissan Leaf which used to charge with Chatham standard, which was a different type of level 3, and I don't think the Leaf charges nearly as fast as this car does. In 10 minutes it would have not charged 30 miles. So
yeah, no,
I'm pretty impressed.
Yeah, I am too.
All right, well, hey, so that's something to consider. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys the next time. And stay tuned for the plug-in hybrid, which is my car, the Honda Clarity. But anyway, we'll see you guys in the next one, and we'll plug in once more in the future. Boom! Don't leave me waiting.
I know.
All right, bye.
Bye.